What's going on, guys? Edgar here, lifestylesdefined.com, here to bring you the latest in Windows 10 Mobile. This is build 10136. Stay tuned. Let's see what's inside.
I was running through the six with my woes, and you know how that shit go. You know how that shit go. You know how that shit go. Running through the...
Alright, so here's Windows 10 Mobile, build 10136, running on my Nokia Lumia 1520. This is my daily driver phone, and I feel like this build is definitely a lot better. It's an improvement from the previous. One of the things you'll notice first here is that I have a background set on my start screen. Now in the previous build we ran into a bug where the background would actually move towards the left, which gave us a black border towards the right. Now that doesn't happen anymore, so I believe that it's been fixed. The other thing, of course, is when you swipe to the apps list, you notice that the background is actually a lot more visible than it was before. So it does add for a nice touch when it comes to backgrounds on Windows Phone or Windows 10 Mobile. The other really cool thing is that the notification center or action center is a lot more responsive than it was before. So that is a really nice touch to have, a little bit of smoothness here in this build here as compared to the previous build. The other really nice thing that I think they've added, thanks to a lot of the feedback that they received from users, was the dark theme on Cortana and other applications. That's one of the things that we've gotten used to with Windows Phone 7, Windows Phone 8, 8.1, is the dark theme and the light theme. So now when you set your theme to dark, it actually changes the theme in with Cortana as well. So if we jump into Cortana, you'll notice now that the theme is actually a dark theme. You do have the cards here which are white, but those are the cards. That is one of the improvements with Cortana. But as far as the theme, you do have access to the dark theme now with Cortana, which again adds a bit of uniformity to the operating system. The other application that has been updated to have the dark theme now is the store beta application. So if we jump into the app here, you'll notice now that we have the black or dark background, and the application actually launches a lot faster. So again, they've added smoothness and more responsiveness to the operating system, which I believe makes it feel a lot more polished than the previous build. Let's jump into the final application. I believe has changed slightly thanks to the improvements, the UI improvements, is OneDrive. When we jump into OneDrive, you'll notice that now it resembles a lot the look and feel of the Windows Phone 7 OneDrive application. So if we skip out and go into the main app, you'll notice here you have the big tiles here with a dark background. That is something that was known, or that we've gotten used to with previous Windows Phone updates like 8 or Windows Phone 8, Windows Phone 7. You can obviously change it to the list view if you want to by clicking down here and changing the view like this. So again, it's really nice to have back some of the features, some of the simple and small touches to the UI that we were used to with Windows Phone 7, Windows Phone 8, and 8.1. And it's welcoming to have them back here in Windows 10 Mobile. One of the other really cool things is that the background is actually visible now in the multitasking view. So as you can see, you do have that background right there in the multitasking view, which again adds a bit of a more polished feel to the operating system, and definitely welcoming features here as far as UI improvements. Again, this was just a quick look at the theme and UI improvements. We have more coming up, guys. We're going to cover Cortana, we're going to cover the photos and camera applications. We're going to have cover the one-handed use, which is a huge feature for those of you that are using the 1520 devices with 5-inch and larger, and also the OneDrive application that has been updated. So if you liked the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, hit us up, lifestylesdefined.com. My name is Edgar. I'll see you guys next time.